Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys see by the title, we have a wig review, and this is the wig that we are going to be reviewing today. This here was provided from a seller on Amazon, of course, and they were sweet enough to send this here for review. Now this is a short bob wig, and I believe it's a 4x4 lace front. Okay, so I always do a middle part, so I've decided to do like a little side part a little bit. I don't have enough lace to play with because of 4x4, and I didn't want a center part this time. I feel like too much center part, so I switch it around, and you guys gonna see what I did in the video. Now it was a little difficult for me to do that, but I tried my best and I think I did good. I really like this wig. It's really good. I love the cut. It's just like, you know, how the way they cut it, and it takes heat really good. I put a lot of heat, girl. So I did experience a little shedding when I cut the lace because I cut a lot of it. It was just like too much in the front when I cut it, so I went back and cut a little bit more. So I experienced a little shedding when I cut the lace, but girl, that is about it, and it's really beautiful. As you guys could see, you're gonna see how like jacked up it'll look when it come out from the bag. I just wanted it to be like this, a little bumpy, so it will look different from, you know, what I usually do. So this brand is Winky Cool. That's the brand on Amazon. So this is a 4x4 short bob human hair lace closure Brazilian virgin hair. It sent me a 10-inch. It says it has baby hair. I didn't see any baby hair before I cut the lace. I didn't see that, and it's pre-plucked. So the length goes up to a 14-inch. So everything will be listed down below. I have an Amazon storefront. As always, look in the description box down below. It's there with a link. The lace is kind of showing a little bit. I try to cover it as much as I can, but girl, I can't get it. Let me see if I could. Okay, it looks a little bit much better. So I try to, you know, cover that lace as much as I can. If you guys know about a good gel, please let me know down below. I'm looking for a good gel to stick down natural hair. Any gel that I use, it really don't help with my natural hair. I put this gel in the front of my head and it's still pumping up. Let me show you guys what gel that I use. This is the gel that I use here, that I use on my edges all the time. It really don't last, especially if you have mixed curly hair in the front like myself. It don't stick down. So if you know about a good gel that really work on natural hair, please let me know down below. So beside this, I really like it. It's just a really nice 1B hair. It's a lot of hair actually, really thick, you could see. And it's human hair. You could tell that this here is human hair. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. Love to hear what you guys have to say. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing and also sticking around. And to my OGs, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys, okay? So don't forget to hit the notification bell, share this video so YouTube could push this video, girl. I need you guys' help. And we have a goal that we want to reach for the end of the year. We're trying to reach at least 5,000 subscribers, but I need you guys' help as well. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.